Okay, so we wrote a computer program. We had a little bit of trouble doing it, right? Mm-hmm. We got it working. So walk through the program here. What are we doing?
Well, so we have the size is the number of trials we do.
Okay.
Cash is the amount of money we start off with.
All right.
And we just put money. Money is, I think, how much we have, like how much we have over time.
Yeah, money, we're making a little table. I was actually going to do something else with it, but it took us a while to get this program running. So money just is a table of how much money we have at every step.
Alright. Number is 1, so we pick 1 every time for the game.
Okay, does that matter? Is it going to matter if we pick different numbers?
No.
Okay.
But it will be the same. D1 is 0. It's just like a variable for the different die rolls.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have a for loop. Doing the trials, we roll 3 dice. If they equal our number, D1, that's bigger by 1.
Okay, what is D1 telling us?
It's how many dice show our number.
Okay.
So if D1 equals 0 at the end of this, we lose $1.
All right. That's what cash minus means.
It's greater than 0. Cash goes to cash plus how many dice showed it.
All right.
And then we just input this value into the table.
Yep.
And then we set D1 back to 0.
Okay, good. And then at the end we do list plot money. So this was starting with $100.
Do 1,000 trials.
And we did 1,000 trials. And we got a graph that looked like this. Sorry, there it is. All right, so tell me what you notice about that graph first off the bat.
So overall we go down.
Okay.
Go down to about maybe like $25 from $100.
We don't constantly go, like we go up, we go down a little bit, then up, and then down, and then we go up.
Looks
down,
like we
up,
actually
down.
went above $100.
Yeah.
Above in here.
Okay. So how could we tell if our minus 8 cents per trial was roughly right?
Maybe we could do our ending value. Subtract that from our initial value and divide it by our number of trials.
Okay. So our initial value was 100.
100.
Okay, am I on the screen here typing? Can you see?
Yes.
Minus, what did we end up with? Cash is just our number. So that should just tell us we ended up at 23.
Yep.
So we do 100 minus 23 divided by 1,000. So that's...
You did by 100.
Oh, sorry. Good point. So that's 77 over 1,000.
So it's about 7.7 cents.
And we came up with, we were expecting, what was it, 17 over 256?
Mm-hmm. 216.
Oh, 216, sorry, right. So we're expecting 0.787 and we got
0.07.
77, okay, cool. Now, let's run it one last time. Let's start with 1,000 and let's run it 100,000 times.
Alright.
Do you think $1,000 is enough?
Then we might get negative.
You might go negative.
Well, that's alright. And we did go negative.
Oh wow.
Go negative very quickly.
Okay, well what do you notice now about this graph?
It's sort of starting to resemble just like a straight line.
Yeah, we're kind of just heading down pretty linearly.
Okay, why do you think this looks more like a straight line?
I guess because we're zoomed out, so it's not gonna show us our the fluctuations as much. I mean, you can kind of still see them, like you're up a little bit, like up and then down again. But they're heading down in a line.
All right, what did we start out with here?
$1,000.
Okay, so cash. At the end, we ended up with minus
$6,694.
Okay, so we want to do, how much money did we lose? We do 100.
1,000.
Minus 1,000, sorry. So 7,694.
Divided by 100,000.
Okay.
So 7.6 cents.
Yeah. So it looks like our guess was probably pretty close.
Yeah.
Or not our guess, our solution was probably pretty close. It's pretty neat. But what you noticed in the first graph is absolutely right. It doesn't mean we lose that 7 cents every single time. right?
Thank you. We do have some fluctuation.
Yeah, it can fluctuate around. Wow, look at it! Look at on this one. We started out with
$10. And
$10.
we got up really high.
we got all the way up to 60. So in this one we won a lot in the beginning, but eventually
We just
Went down
lost
to
a
minus
lot.
40.
we actually ended up losing all of our money, even though we got above. So eventually, like in the long run, it's very hard to beat the odds.
Yeah.
But in the short run, you can have fluctuations where you
Good.
win. All right, good work, guys.